The Tesla Model S Plaid is the quickest accelerating sedan currently on the market, but it doesn't exactly stand out in traffic. In fact, it looks almost identical to lesser Model S variants. That makes it a good sleeper but not much of a head-turner. That's where Competition Carbon comes in. The aftermarket specialist first came across our radar back in late 2020 when it previewed a wild carbon fiber body kit being developed for the C8 Corvette. Fast forward to 2022 and the company has previewed its latest project, this time consisting of a wide-body kit for the Model S Plaid that will be presented at this year's SEMA show in Las Vegas. A series of renderings have been released of the finished project. Kicking off the modifications is an overhauled front fascia that includes a distinctive bumper with reshaped air intakes and a large front splitter, giving the Model S Plaid a much more aggressive look. Competition Carbon's upgrades continue down the sides with flared front and rear wheel arches, as well as extended side skirts. The EV has also been rendered with tightly spoked aftermarket wheels and the ride height has also been lowered. Rounding out the upgrades are a series of changes to the rear of the car. These include a large lip spoiler and a new bumper with an extremely overt carbon fiber diffuser. It remains to be seen if Competition Carbon intends on selling this wide-body kit or if it will be a strict one-off. If the kit is sold to Model S Plaid owners, it probably won't be cheap, but as a means of giving the EV the exterior looks to match more aggressive sedans, like the BMW M5 CS, it certainly does the job.